Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 69 Mustang Mach 1. It's now an AM-FM 8-track with an aux input. And so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. So this comes from Craig in Carson City, Nevada. And so let's go ahead and fire this puppy up and make sure it works. I got it set to AM at the moment, the one strong station I receive in my area.
Super Bowls for our side. We've never been able to achieve that until Donald Trump, Luis. And my point is, there are people who would rather not talk about that today, and that confounds me.
Balance left.
Like, why would we not celebrate these
right.
massive wins that Trump is ushering in? And there are many more than not.
Yes. We are being blind. We are being blind by this game that we've been playing against us so many years.
Now we're going to move over to FM, which we do by turning the radio off and right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Hurry on up, waste no Oh, I'm related to old Kinderline. Acts are unfair. Don't ever call her that girl.
Blank spot there.
That means wake up and live.
Okay. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on like it's supposed to. And yep, I got a nice soft green glow. You can't see it, but I can. So she's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And about the middle of the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because those answers will be in the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you want to call me, it's just for a quick couple minutes, get to know me and trust me, things like that. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. And thank you, Craig, for your business from Carson City, Nevada, and we'll see you next time.